If you're a coach, consultant, or professional with an online service business in 2026 and you're not using AI properly, you're not just working harder than you need to, you're actively slowing down your business. In today's video, I'm going to break down the 5 categories within your online service business that you must systematize in 2026 using AI, and exactly how we do this inside our 7-figure agency. If you're new here, I'm Candice, the co-founder of P4P, a done-for-you agency where we build offers, funnels, content, ads, and systems for coaches, consultants, and professionals with online service businesses. Now, we don't just use AI for basic tasks like writing hooks, captions, and emails. We use it daily to scale faster, think clearer, and deliver better results for our clients. Okay, so the first and one of the most important categories is copy, strategy, and offer creation. And for this, we use tools like ChatGPT and Claude. Now, I know you're familiar with these tools, but bear with me because most online service businesses use these tools completely wrong. You see, tools like ChatGPT and Claude are not just copywriting tools. When used properly, they become your business brain. Now, what most people do is they start a new chat every time, and then they complain that the AI gives them generic answers. What we do instead is we use projects and custom GPTs. Now, this helps us store our business information and context once so that we can train our GPT to create the exact output we desire over and over again. Now, inside of our AI project setup, we feed in information like our niche, our ideal client profiles, our offers, frameworks, client case studies, objections we get, our tone of voice, writing style, as much information as we possibly can. And that way, when we ask AI to write copy, refine an offer, audit a funnel, or spot gaps, it's not guessing, it's responding in context because it's trained to write and respond like us. Now, I recommend you try both and compare. And in my experience, Claude is great for long-form thinking and logic. And I personally use ChatGPT every day because I find it excellent for structure, iteration, and speed. Okay, so instead of re-explaining your business and who you serve every time you open a new chat, I want you to use AI like a system. So create a projects folder, add in as much information about your business as you can, things like your niche, your ideal clients, their challenges, their fears, their goals, your offers, the results you've gotten, any objections you faced before, and your tone of voice. And then I want you to use that folder for your business conversations and your copy. And I promise you, you will see significantly better responses to your prompts. Now, this alone is going to save you hours every week. And speaking of which, everything on this channel is about helping you build real profitable online businesses with practical advice. So if you want more step-by-step and how-to videos, then be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell, as I'll be in the comments section for 1 hour after every video launches to answer any business questions that you have. Okay, let's keep going. So category 2 is design and visual communication. Now, a tool that I've been using for years and still use daily is Canva Pro, and not just for social posts, but I use this for visually showcasing our frameworks, our lead magnets, creating client presentations, roadmaps, my ad creatives, and my YouTube thumbnails. Now, in my experience, I've seen that visual assets can be extremely beneficial, especially in high-ticket service businesses, because if a prospect can visually understand how you help them get results and succeed, then converting them into a high-ticket client that will pay you $3,000 to $10,000 or more will become much easier. Now, while I love Canva, I sometimes struggle to get the output I want with Canva AI, so we do end up creating a lot of things manually from templates. But another AI tool I have been testing for a little while to get fast visuals is called Gamma. Now, with Gamma, you need to give it a pretty detailed prompt, but it can create things like your VSL slides, your step-by-step roadmaps, your client presentations, and any of your business frameworks. And it's really powerful because it will take that detailed prompt and it will create a visual output for you in a matter of seconds. Now, this saves me hours, so try it out and let me know what you think. Okay, so category 3 is funnels, websites, and automation. Now, when it comes to creating your websites and landing pages, there are some really great AI tools that will do this in a matter of minutes. But here's the nuance. So the tools I like using and I use commonly is Wix AI, Emergent Agent, Lovable, Landing Site AI, and Base 44. But I mainly mainly use these tools for inspiration, structure, layout ideas, and quick mockups. So what I do is I'll prompt the AI to create a landing page for me with my smart offer, and I'll give it any specific details that I need on the page. But this is important, I don't host there. So instead, my team will build everything inside of Go High Level. Why? Because Go High Level handles all of our business hosting, our CRM, email workflows, SMS, automations for our business as well as our clients. So my workflow is AI for layout and inspiration, and then Go High Level for execution and scale. And that way, I'm not paying for multiple tools that don't talk to each other. Okay, quick pause. If you don't want to DIY any of this and you prefer my team and I to build your entire online service business for you, which includes everything from your offer, your funnels, your ads, content, your sales scripts, setting up all your tech, then you can book a strategy call using the link in the description. All right, back to the tools. So category 4 is video content creation and especially video editing. Now, I personally use ChatGPT to help me script my ideas, and then I use my phone camera to record my videos, and I have a video editor who edits my videos. But just a couple of months ago, I was editing my own videos. Now, I tried several tools to do this. I've tried DaVinci Resolve and CapCut, which are great, but one of the most amazing tools that I've used for my VSLs and my long form content is called Descript. Now, Descript's AI editing features are really amazing, especially if you're starting out and you're editing your own videos. And the reason I found this so useful was because it has a text-based editor. So you can see your entire transcript of your video and very quickly remove filler words, any retakes, and if you make a mistake and you say the wrong word as an example, then Descript's AI allows you to correct this by simply changing the text. Now, I've also used Descript AI to do things like extend my scenes, to create interesting B-roll, to fix eye contact if I look away from the camera, and to fix my audio quality. And it has another cool feature where you can translate your videos to any language and sync your lips so it doesn't look dubbed. Now, I don't know about you, but when I create content, I make tons of mistakes, and this tool has saved me hours upon hours. So try it out and let me know what you think. All right, now this takes us to category 5, which is client delivery, notes, and admin. Now, the tools I'm about to mention help take our business from chaotic 6 figures to premium 7 figures. As you can imagine, being a done-for-you agency that builds custom businesses from scratch, we work one-to-one with clients. And this means lots of meetings. Now, in the past, we would be writing notes during our meetings and summarizing action points for each of our team members as well as our clients, and it got extremely time consuming. To be honest, it was taking away so much of precious time that we could be using to move our business forward. So then we started using an AI note taker, and a tool that I love is Fathom AI Note Taker. Now, this is completely free. It joins your meetings, it records your entire call, creates a transcription, summarizes key takeaways, and emails everything to all the meeting attendees. An alternative I have been testing in the last month is called Granola AI, and it's great because it doesn't join your meeting, but instead it listens to your audio and transcribes and summarizes your meeting and action points as the meeting is in progress. And as you keep having meetings, it goes a level deeper by identifying patterns across your conversations, which I found to be extremely useful for our business to help identify challenges and opportunities where we can do things better for our clients. Okay, so I've mentioned a few tools, but if you're just starting out and you don't have a lot of dollars to spend, then here are my top 3 picks that in my opinion will give you the biggest ROI and help take your business to the next level. So if I had to choose what to pay for, I would pay for ChatGPT for writing copy, Go High Level for hosting and automations, and then Descript for content editing. And you can use the free versions of Canva and Gamma for your visual assets, as well as Fathom AI Note Taker, which is completely free. Now, if you're ready to build your 7-figure online service business, then subscribe and hit that notification bell, because next week I'm going to break down in detail the simple funnel that got me to 7 figures. And if you want us to build all of this for you, so all you have to do is show up to qualified sales calls, then book a call using the link in the description. All right, I'll see you in the next one.